How to fix contacts disappeared or missing on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when your contacts have disappeared or are missing in your iPhone. This simple fix will help you get your contacts back without any hassle. First, open Settings and scroll down to Contacts, or you can find Contacts here in the App Store, and then click on it. Here, check if your iCloud account is enabled by going to your contacts account and then click on iCloud. If it's not, toggle it on so your contacts can sync. If it's already enabled, try turning it off and back on to force a sync. If your contacts are still missing, go to Settings, find Mail right here, and then Accounts. And check if other email accounts like Gmail or Yahoo are syncing contacts. If they aren't, toggle the contact switch on for each account. Another step is to restart your iPhone. Simply press and hold the power button, slide the power off, wait a few seconds, and turn your phone back on. Lastly, if that didn't work, go to iCloud.com and check if your contacts are available there. If they are, you can log out of your iCloud account on iPhone and sign back in. That's it. Your contacts should now be back. Try it out and let me know if it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Bye!